Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to crop image in Canva. After selecting Canva, we can choose a template to create a design. I will use presentation. Next, we can go to Uploads to upload the image. We can go to Upload File to choose the image from your hard disk, or we can use three dot menu to upload the image from your apps. I will go back. I uploaded the image before. I select one of the image to add into Canva design. Next, if we want to crop it, we can directly click and drag the edge to crop it. Or we can go to use crop tool and adjust the size of crop area and adjust the image size. Actually, we can go to crop panel. We can find the aspect ratio. We can use 1:1. We can use 60:9, or we can use others. I will show 1:1. So this is square, and then we can click and drag the image to adjust the positioning. Now, if we happy with this, we can press done to complete the crop tool. So this is how we can crop image in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.